Hey there, Spartans. It's Dr. Mitch Ball back with week 3 of A Bit of Budget. This week we're at Gates Bowl talking about where the money comes from. Last week we talked about the district spending plan and how we invest and allocate resources that benefit our students. This week we're going to focus on revenue, essentially the district's sources of income.
Our current budget proposal consists of more than $117 million in expenditures. Remember, this is the cost of funding instruction and keeping the lights on. Here in New York State, our revenues have to match our anticipated expenditures. Just like your own wallet, you can't spend more than you have. Expenditures and revenues must balance each other out. At Gates Chili, we have several different lanes of revenue that fund our programs and services. The two largest include state funds, known as state aid, and local property taxes from the Gates and Chili communities. Local property taxes account for a little over 48% of our revenue, or around $57 million, while state aid accounts for approximately 38.5%, or approximately $45.5 million. Meanwhile, local sales tax from Monroe County comes in at a little over 3%, and are tied to all taxable consumer sales in the county, like trips to the mall and car purchases. There are also payments in lieu of taxes, also known as pilots, which are negotiated with the Monroe County Economic Development Agency. These make up around 2.5%. Then other revenues like interest earnings, Medicaid payments, admissions fees, and tuition make up around 2% of all revenues. The last two revenues are carryover funds known as appropriated fund balance and reserves. If we don't have enough from other sources to cover our costs, that's when we may need to dip into reserve funds. In this year's proposed budget, those revenue sources make up a little under 5% of estimated revenues to bring us to that breakpoint of $117,882,045.
Next week, we will break down our two biggest and most complex areas of revenue, frame by frame. And in talking about state aid and property taxes, we'll also show you how the tax cap comes into play. My bowling game may be a perpetual gutter ball, but together we can make sure our students' education is a perfect game.